Welcome back to Escape to Find Peace. Today we are finally going to splurge a bit. This is my third video from the iconic Gardens by the Bay, and we are about to explore the third major attraction here, Floral Fantasy. If Singapore is on your bucket list, or if you haven't been here yet, I am excited to share my experience and tips with you. Singapore has given me a wealth of new experiences, and I did spend some money here. So far, I'm really impressed with the day. It's been neat and exciting. If you have been watching my other videos, you will see that this experience is truly unique compared to the others. Floral Fantasy is open Monday to Friday from 10 to 7 pm with the last admission at 6:30 pm. On weekends and public holidays, it's open from 10 until 8 pm with the last admission at 7:30 pm. I have seen Floral Fantasy all over Instagram but never knew where it was until now. And it truly feels like a floral wonderland. I wish I had brought some fancy gowns for the photos. Maybe you can plan better than I did. I regret being in my PJs. Like the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome, Floral Fantasy is well air conditioned, so you might want to bring an extra layer for comfort. This place covers over 15,000 fresh-cut, dried and preserved blooms hang from the ceiling, creating a stunning visual display. Everything inside is temperature controlled, so it's very comfortable. The temperature inside ranges from 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Trust me, I don't want to go outside in the Singapore heat. Floral Fantasy is easily the most picture-perfect spot in Gardens by the Bay. If you love photography or Instagramming, this is the place to be. I don't usually post much on Instagram, but I still had fun trying different poses and snapping photos. One thing I wish is that Floral Fantasy was larger, as it's not as huge as the other two attractions. This place is about 1,500 square meters only. If you love flowers, I recommend spending about an hour here. I'm usually not into flowers, but this place won over me with its flower sculptures and floral themes. If you are a couple, I highly recommend it. I even saw a couple having a wedding photo shoot. However, unless you are really into flowers or Instagram poses, The 20 Singapore dollars price tag might not be worth it if you are paying full price. Please note that the Floral Fantasy will be closed for maintenance on the following dates in 2024. It will be closed for private events on 5th of August from 1 to 7 pm and 5th of September from 10 am until 1 pm. Plan your visit accordingly. I found myself wanting to spend more time here. Floral Fantasy with Flight of the Dragonfly 4D ride costs 20 Singapore dollars for tourists and $12 for children aged between 3 to 12. I recommend visiting Floral Fantasy around 3 pm to avoid the crowds. I was a bit late and had to rush through, but I have shown you all the best spots in my videos so you can plan your time accordingly. This has been the best day I've had in Singapore, and the sunset is perfect time to watch this free show. I have timed perfectly to catch the sunset and the light show on the Supertree. You can either gather at the entrance of a Supertree or find a spot in the park where it's visible. Alternatively, you can also head to Marina Bay Sands Hotel for a fantastic view. Just be sure to arrive early to secure your spot. You don't need to visit any of the paid gardens to enjoy it. Just come by at the right time. I have included the show timings and a link to the Singapore itinerary in the description below. Now let's enjoy the show. Keep in mind that it's always crowded here during the golden hour, so I wouldn't recommend visiting Gardens by the Bay if you are not planning to spend the whole day. Also, travel light as you will be doing a lot of walking. For anyone visiting Singapore, Gardens by the Bay is a must-see. If you haven't watched my previous video about this place, I will add it in the iCards above. I really hope you're enjoying the Singapore series so far. If you are new here, say hello in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video with more amazing places to visit. Let me know your thoughts or questions as always. Thanks for watching. Escape to find peace.